Welcome. In today's video, Clickbank, how to make $500. I'm going to show you a free method. Now, Clickbank is affiliate marketing network, so how to make $500 a day with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and consider hitting the subscribe button below and you'll get notified of any future videos I post. And if you're coming back again, thanks for being here again. I appreciate you visiting the channel. All right, so firstly, if you haven't got an account with Clickbank, you just go over here and sign up, hit the sign up button in the top right. Pretty straightforward. You know, affiliate marketing, we're selling other people's products, and Clickbank is one of the oldest affiliate marketing networks on the internet. It's been around for over 20 years now with thousands of products in many different categories. So we're over here at the sign up, as you can see, pretty straightforward. The country, first name, last name, a phone number. You'll need to put a phone number in to be able to verify it, and enter an email address, not an email address, a password in line with the recommendations they've got here. Click on I've read all the terms and conditions, and then click on join Clickbank. Now, if you're in one of the few countries that can't sign up as an affiliate on Clickbank, go over to a website called Digistore24. Has similar sorts of products, digital products, has some dietary supplements, but it doesn't have as many products. Some products are listed on both Clickbank and Digistore24. So we choose a product at Clickbank. We'll do that in a moment. And the traffic source, which is what most affiliates struggle with, is getting traffic or people to their offer. Today we're going to go over to Eventbrite. It is a massive website with traffic, and we're going to create an event. Now don't worry, we're going to create a virtual event. Let's just see how much traffic it gets. So I've just gone over to a website called SimilarWeb, as you can see here, and I've typed in Eventbrite. Now, this ranks and gives you data on individual websites on the internet. So you can see it has 30 million views a month. 30 million views a month. It has a breakdown, not really interested in that. So you can see it's been pretty consistent. Dipped down a little bit the last couple of months there, and then it's on its way back up again. And importantly, if you have a look down here by country, 77% of the visitors to Eventbrite are in the US, followed by 4% in the UK and Canada and Australia. So this is where you want to target your audience. The US is the biggest market. This website has the traffic from the biggest market. So we're going to create an event on Eventbrite for our affiliate offer. Why it's important that the US and European countries that we're going to target is because advanced countries have more money. They have the funds to be able to attend events, unlike some of the third world countries. And we're targeting an online event, so it could be worldwide, but we want to target an audience that has money to spend, that has disposable income to spend. And of course, the US is the biggest market there is. Now, just scrolling down, one of the other important bits of data here is that 97%, nearly 98% of the traffic is from organic sources. Okay, so you're going to need to sign up for an account, and everything I'm showing you here, as I said in the beginning, is free. Now, the other thing is, if you're new to the channel and you want to watch this till the end, because I'm going to give you some landing page software that you can use for your affiliate marketing offers. And this software regularly sells, or any landing page software, sales funnel software, regularly sells from anywhere from $97 up to $350 a month. If you watch to the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get this software for free. What you want to do now is go here and click on create an event, and we're going to create an online event to siphon off the traffic that Eventbrite has to our offer. And I'll give you the product that we're going to use in a moment. And what we're going to do is use a product by John Crestani again, only because of the simplicity, or not simplicity, but because of the resources that's available. There's many other products you can use this for as well. Now you'll see here that I've got a document here that is already set out for you. That's why I've chosen this product, already set out for you. So what we want to do is we're going to copy the title. I've already done this, but so we'll copy the title, go here, enter the details in there. I'm going to go through and fill all this out. Will be seminar or talk, this one here. And then the category, we'll probably choose business and professional. Now, all this is set out on this document for you. So it's simple as copy and paste. And a subcategory, you can play around with this. Look, this, you can use multiple events and you can create it in different cities. And I would probably look at sales and marketing, or you could do, you choose for yourself and test it and trial it and see what works for you in your area, because you may not be using this product. You may be using a product that you've chosen. I'm using this product to demonstrate it for you. And so here's the keywords, organizer text. Here's an example you could put in. This event is hosted by John Cristani, a self-made internet millionaire. Now, it depends on what product you're using. You can put in there whatever you like. So the summary text, the training webinar will be, because this will go to a webinar, is 1 to 2 hours long and shows you how you can earn a six-figure income. Now, here's the description text example. And the training is hosted by John Cristani, a self-made internet multimillionaire, which goes over how you can earn a six-figure income by working online from your computer. There will be live case studies showing a few of the tens of thousands of people from around the world that have created an online business for themselves without any prior experience from countries all over the world. The presentation will not be about any of the following. And you can, even if you do this, you can even edit this. So as you can see, then we go on to once we've done that, we go on to the order confirmation. But before we do that, you'll see here location. Now, remember, we're not going to have a physical location. You want to change this to online event. Online event. And you can either do a single event or you can set it up for recurring events. I've set it up for 3 months and multiple events per day. You can change the time zone to wherever you are and then save and continue. Now you'll want to put an image in there because it makes it stand out. Let's go and do a search on Google for a royalty-free image of someone with a computer, a woman with a computer, a guy with a computer, maybe a coffee, and so then you upload that just to give it a visual appearance. However you find it, like even make money online or make money from home and see what images come up, and then just save that to your computer and upload it. So this is what the main page looks like, the image I've put there. You can see this is the one I pre-did before, and I also put a link to the affiliate offer. And what I did there, though, I put it in, I went and used a bit.ly URL shortener so that it makes it look less spammy and more appealing, because people will click on it. I probably should go back and show you where we got the product from. I jumped ahead of myself because I've pre-done this. So let's go over here to the marketplace, because I've already taken the link and gone to, we'll just do a search. So that's the product there. As you can see, it pays up to $600 odd, and you click on promote to get your affiliate link, and then you'll take that to bit.ly, put that in, and that's the bit.ly link that you see in the document. Now, in a moment, I'm going to give you the details of a couple of other affiliate networks, a couple of other training products that sell for up to $5-6 grand, where you can make half that, so you can make quite good commissions. So stay tuned, I'll cover those in a minute. Okay, look, if you're getting value for this, consider hitting the subscribe button if you haven't, and that blue bell icon. That'll get you notified when I post these videos. And don't forget to stay till the end. I'm going to give you access to some free landing page sales funnel software. And yes, you don't even need to put a credit card in. It is free. So this is just how your links look over here at Bitly. Once you shorten them, you can start off with these big long links, look ugly, look spammy, put it up here, create link, and it'll generate this short link which you've seen me use in the document so far. So let's just test that it works, and you'll see it's a sign up page for a webinar. When they register, they've got yours. See there at the end of it, hop equals my username, and that will be yours. Just make sure there is something there, that you haven't screwed up. You don't want to go to this trouble of creating all this and then not get attributed with the sale. So just a couple more things.